Spraining an ankle is a common injury that can be treated at home. Rest and apply basic first aid to allow the injury to heal. Determine the severity of the sprain, with grade 1 being mild, grade 2 being moderate, and grade 3 being severe. Grade 1 sprains usually don't require medical attention, while grade 3 sprains should be seen by a doctor. Use crutches if necessary and try to move the ankle without putting weight on it. Ice the ankle for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours to reduce swelling. Compress the ankle with an elastic bandage to manage swelling. Elevate the ankle above the heart level for 2 to 3 hours a day. Take over-the-counter pain relievers to manage pain and inflammation. Perform exercises to stretch and strengthen the ankle, following recommendations from a physical therapist. Finally, stretch the calf muscles to increase ankle flexibility.